Have you ever seen these? These are Shirataki Noodles, otherwise known as Miracle Noodles. I'm going to make a seafood stir fry, so first I need to strain them to remove that funky liquid that they came in. They're made from konnyaku, which is a root, and there's only 6 calories per 100 grams. They fill you up, but it's like eating nothing, so it's a great weight loss tool. Next, place them in the bowl and fill it up with water. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap, then put it in the microwave and zap it for 5 minutes at 600 watts. And after 5 minutes, the noodles are now cooked, but I don't need that water, so I'm going to strain them one more time. Okay, the noodles are now ready, so let's get stir frying. When your fry pan's nice and hot, drizzle in some oil, then add the ingredients. In go some clams, shrimp, cabbage and beans. Add some garlic and a pinch of salt. And finally, in go some Chinese chicken soup powder. Give it a good mix to make sure that everything's incorporated, then add the noodles. Keep mixing, and when everything's nicely cooked, it's done, so now it's time to plate it up. And when you're finished, it should look like this. It's extremely colourful and also extremely low calorie. And how does it taste? Well, it tastes shrimpy, beany, clammy, chickeny, and low calorie noodly. In a nutshell, it tastes healthy. I can feel the pounds just falling off me. So if you're looking for a low calorie option to help you with weight loss, this might be the answer. And as a disclaimer, there are no guarantees. As always, thank you for watching on the Bento Buster in Tokyo, and I'll see you next time. Oh, and if you do feel the urge to like and subscribe, go for it, because I'm not going to stop you. In fact, I encourage it.